Hi mga akla! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shoota Kayo! Char! And for today's video nga mga akla, bago to sa ating YouTube channel. Oo mga akla, dahil the long wait is over para sa lovebirds na to. Oh, alam niyo na yung tinutukoy ko mga akla. Ito nga ay ang kasalang Jesvin, which is si Jessica at si Kevin. O, diba? Kabog! Charot! Ito nga yung kasalang naganap kanina or kahapon sa Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. At syempre, thank you very much, Jessica, Jesvin, sa pagbibigay sa akin ng authority na mag-react dito sa inyong kasal. At syempre, di ba? Oh my God, kilig-kilig. At syempre, ito na yung inaantay natin na pagkatagal-tagal na. At syempre, inaantay ng mga sangkabaklaan. For sure, di ba, naiyak kayo dito. For sure, na in love kayo. For sure, kinilig kayo dito mga akla. At first of all, syempre, congratulations, Kevin and Jessica. Alam ko naman na isa yan sa mga goals ninyo. At marami pa kayong goals na gusto pang makamit. At marami pa rin naman kayong mga pagdadaan ng pagsubok. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, kayo lang dalawa lagi ang magtutulungan dahil kayo lang ang, syempre, magkasangga hanggang sa dulo. O, diba? Nangaral pa nga ang matanda. So, without further ado mga akla, panoorin na nga natin ang video ng kasalang Jesvin. So na, let's go! Ay, kabog! Tara yung mga bisita! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ito si Miss G, yung huli. Nakakatuwa, 11 yung visitors. Imagine ha, syempre wala naman silang kakilala sa USA. Wala silang kapamilya sa US, pero ang daming umaten. Nakakatuwa si Miss G, naka-floral din, nakakatuwa. Meron pala silang assignment na outfit, very colorful. Simple lang din yung yung parang, nga pala to, yung chapel. Ay, may pa-fountain! Huwag kayong Ayan na, ilabas nyo na yung mag-jowa! Charot! Labas nyo na yung Jesvin, nakakaloka. Ay, may pag-change music. Ang ganda kasi parang ordinary. Ito ata yung tita ni Kevin. Gwapo ni Kevin. Best friend namin yan. Tayo na naiiyak agad si Kevin. Yan na nga. Naiiyak na agad si Kevin. Ay, eksena din si Kevin for today's video. Charot lang. Siyempre, emotional ka dyan, T. Nakakatuwa, oh my God. See you in a few weeks, Jesvin. Magpa-party tayo ng bongga. Ayan na! Diyos ko si Makala! Taray! Basta na si Jessica. Labas siya na, te. Siyempre, iyak si Kevin dyan. Nakakatuwa. Ay, tagal umeksena ni Jessica, ha? Kailangan pretty ka dyan, girl, ha? Ses, kailangan pretty ka, sis, ha? Charot! Ay! Sino to? Hindi sila kilala, pero siguro for sure, malapit na kila Jessica dyan sa US. Ang cute! Forward pa daw mga ngima. Ayan. Ganyan daw ang position. Naiyak na naman si Kevin. Ay! Sis! Ganda rin mo kaya! Paino? Sas, ganyan ka na lang hanggang makauwi ng Pinas, ha? Taray, pila-pilihan, no? Jessica, yung paglakad sa car. Ako, kaiyak na. Nakakaiyak! Ano ba? Ayoko umiyak. Naiyak. Ba't ako naiyak? Ayoko umiyak. Ano ba? Bayan? Nakakaiyak.
Everybody, let's just take a moment now as this beautiful couple come together today to continue your love story. May both of you all be a family of life, have a happy, healthy, abundant life together. Amen. Everybody, please be seated. So just stand a little closer together, so just keep your hair on the outside. How do you can hold it right here? We're focusing. You can hold it right here. Yeah. How do you feel?
Crying right now.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Isn't it a great moment? Listen, you got a lot of family and friends here. They're excited. They're taking pictures, they're videoing. It's a great day because here you are standing next to your best friend, the love of your life. And the best place in the world is when you're side by side. You know, it doesn't get much better than that.
Taina, nakakaiyak naman yung sinasabi ni
you know
ate.
you're going to fall in love, but there were qualities that drew you to each other. And those qualities were instilled in you because of people who have touched your lives. And we have to thank them for that.
Yeah.
But also when you
Nakakaiyak naman yung sinasabi ni ate.
And your friendship was and is the foundation of your relationship. So it's very important throughout your married life, the two of you remain BFF. So today, Jessie officially becomes your bestie. So that means you need to bring her breakfast in bed 5 or 7 days a week. How many days? 7? That's a good answer.
24/7.
But actually a best friend pushes you out of your comfort zone. So you become the best version of who you're meant to be. A best friend is standing at the finish line cheering you on as you're accomplishing another goal. You two need to remember to be each other's biggest cheerleader and have each other's back. And in a few minutes, you're going to officially be a couple. Isn't that awesome, everyone? Yes!
Yes! Amen! Nakakaiyak ka, girl! Ang dami mo sinasabi.
But you know, it's important to remember you're both individuals, and that's what attracted you to each other, the uniqueness about each one of you. You're not going to do everything together throughout your married life. There are times you are going to do things separately. But that's okay, because when you come back and share that experience, your friendship grows, your love deepens. But most importantly, the trust that you have for each other strengthens. Trust is a very important component for a happy, healthy relationship.
Grabe, nakakaiyak yung sinasabi
before
ni
I have you
ate.
exchange vows, I always like to touch on the most important, patience. So who's more patient in this relationship?
Ano, nagturuan pa mi?
Who's more patient? Is it Kevin?
I can ask them.
Yeah.
Siyempre si Kevin.
Actually, this is for both of you. There's going to be times throughout your married life your patience
Siyempre si Jessica din,
As
di
you're
ba?
moving through it, make sure you formulate your thoughts and talk to each other. The two of you work it out together. Nothing is insurmountable as long as you're doing it jointly and you respect each other's feelings. But most importantly, no matter how difficult of a day the two of you have had, always remember, kiss each other goodnight. It's the best advice I can give you.
Correct.
Face each other and hold each other's hands. So which phone do you want? The dark one or the one with the color? Which one is your vows?
I have my código here.
Okay, I have these. Okay, I didn't know.
Meron naman pala
Okay, go ahead.
kodigo.
Código tayo, guys, ha?
Wala ko yan.
You're up, Kevin.
Move. My only one, my one and only. Alam niyo yan, guys, diba? Meaning, kahit ano pa man yan, only that I know is ikaw yung pumana kay Mr. Tutudo. It all started with the Facebook post na single pa rin sa 2019. I don't know why did I post this randomly, pero pinost ko siya for fun. Until may napaibig agad. Ay, kapalo mukha.
Gwapo ni Kevin.
Pero literally, hindi siya yung typical na person na easy to get. Grabe, ang tagal ko rin niligawan to, ha. Almost
Ganda ni
3
Jessica!
months na
Ganda
pagliligaw
mo,
sa
sis!
kanya. We were LDR Ang tagal. Grabe yung ano ko, yung anxiety ko pag hindi siya nagre-reply. Kasi sobrang layo ng milya na layo namin. So, LDR feels din. Pero, we still managed to get it. Nag-pass through kami through LDR, and then I give up my job for her para makauwi sa Pilipinas in order to meet her personally. Mu, I promise to be your best friend at all times.
Kakaiyak ka, Kevin.
I'll be on your side always, through ups and downs. Kahit palayasin mo ako ng bahay, doon lang ako sa labas maghihintay. Hindi magsasawang i-doorbell ang ating bahay, sariling bahay. Mu, I love you so much, and you bring so much colorful into my life. Binago mo ako, binago mo yung pananaw ko sa buhay. And salamat sa lahat. I can be your...
Pinipigilan ko lang, nakakainis.
Tama ba yan? Frenemy pala. Your best friend. And finally, I can say, your husband. I love you so much, Mo. And this is now the start ng panibagong buhay.
So do you need any of those, or you can say it from? Do you have anything to say? Go right ahead. It's your turn. If you want to put the pressure's on. Exactly. Go ahead. That's okay. Say whatever language works for you.
English.
Inhale, exhale ka muna. Huwag mo lang yung lubuhan.
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako. Kaya sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo, hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa family ko, sa friends ko, sa lahat ng mga taong kapalibot sa akin. Talagang ramdam ko yung genuinely na pagmamahal mo sa akin. Talagang naipapadama mo sa family ko, sa mga friends ko. Talagang kung gaano yung kalab mo sa akin, talagang na-share mo din sa kanila. And syempre, thank you so much. Dahil ikaw, yung binigay ni God sa akin. Sobra akong thankful and grateful sa Kanya. And sa lahat ng mga pagsubok, struggles in life, talaga masasabi kong napagtagumpay ako, kasama ka. Sobrang thankful, and maipapromise ko lang sa'yo na ako lang ang bebe mo.
Sabi ka talaga, Jessica. Shoot ka,
Ako lang ang my only one, my one and only. Kahit anong sabihin nila, I'm here to love you. I'm here anywhere what you do the dessert. Thank you, and I love you so much.
Galing, sarap mo. Sarap ma-in love.
I'll promise na lagi kong ipapaalala na inumin mo lagi ang potassium citrate. At pakainin ka ng banana because she needs banana.
I like your banana.
Later.
Gusto Jessica, laro ka pa din kahit sa kasal mo. Laro kami. Ayun!
It's high in potassium.
I have to have you say that's so funny. All right, now face each other, hold each other's hands. I'm going to have you both say your I do's. Oh, that's a first. Kevin, do you take Jessie to be your wife?
Yes, I do.
Jessie, you take Kevin to be your husband?
I do.
Okay. Remy, I need those rings. Can you come up here and give them to me? That's to me. Oh, okay. So I know you're trying not to step on the beautiful dress. Let's see.
Yan na, malapit natin. Konti na lang.
Good job.
Thank you.
So hold each other's hands. Turn your heads, look at me. Keep your bodies facing each other. Turn your heads, look at me, follow the rings. When I see wedding bands on other individuals, I know that person's made a pledge to somebody for the rest of their lives. They have found their soulmate. And really, that's what's happening today. The two of you are now officially soulmates. But also, when I look down at wedding bands, I see them made out of metal.
which means they're very strong, and that represents the strength of your love for each other. Should the two of you ever sleep apart at night, look down at your wedding band. Your love will reach out to each one of you and take care of you. And remember, there's a circle. There's no beginning, there's no end to the love you'll always have for each other.
Kapag ang galing magsalita ni ate mo, girl. Nakakaiyak.
There.
Montik ka na tayong maiyak ng bahagya.
Ano ba to, guys? Dito ba?
Sige na, Kevin, ipasok mo na yan kay Jessica!
Ang galing ko pa yan. Hindi nagkasya.
Ay!
Perfect, it fits beautifully.
Sana all! Charot!
Now it's your turn to place this on you as I can.
Dapat sumisigaw, hey! Huwag ko nandyan. Hey! Hey! Ganon! Hey!
Tinuruan na.
Okay, we've got one more thing to do. I'm going to have the both of you step right over here in front of this pedestal. Face me. Perfect. Put your arms around each other's waist. And then put your hand under her veil. Okay, come closer. That's fine. This way. Tiny step this way when you center. How you both doing there? You have fun. Yeah, there you go. Do this. So I'll tell you when to light this, okay? So these candles represent you and your family and friends. Today you're coming together and officially blending your family and friends. Your first act is husband and wife. It's light that together.
Ang saya, pero parang nakakaiyak. Bayan, ang hirap naman pigilan.
Now both of you step back to the center and face each other, okay? Back to the center to where you were.
Nakakaloko. Alam mo, kanina pinanood
Okay,
ko
we
na ito,
ready for
nakailang
me to
iyak ako
pronounce
to
you? So now, a couple of
pinipigilan ko
things.
na lang.
When I pronounce you, biggest kiss ever. You think you can do that? Because the first time you're kissing each other is that. And everybody, I'm going to need your help. Are we ready to get this
naghahalikan itong dalawang to. Tingnan natin
Are we
kung dito
ready?
ito lalaban, te.
Okay, are we ready? I need your help, everyone. Everybody, I need your help.
Jessica, the lipstick, you don't worry about it.
So, don't worry about it. Don't worry.
Sige na!
So everybody, I'm going to need your help. So listen up, okay? So now, by the powers vested in me by the state of Nevada, I now pronounce you, help me everybody,
Husband and wife! Ay, pinalaplap! Ay, pako! Pak! Ay, kabuhan! Ay, kainan talaga po! Basta sila nakita, naglaplapan at talagang nag-kiss, nakakaloka. Kasi napaka-ano nitong dalawang ito eh. Alam mo yung parang yung talagang sobrang ano nila, hindi sila yung showy, na pag-kiss, ganyan. First time kasi nakita, nag-kiss. Congratulations, Jasmine, nakakatuwa. Diba parang simple, maikli lang yung celebration, but nandun na lahat. Nakakatuwa! And there you have it nga mga akla. So, yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, nakakatuwa na makita yung dalawa mong kaibigan na from bata, nakita natin si Jessica, na umangat, na ginabayan ni Kevin, na hindi ko rin naman inaasahan na magiging magkaibigan din kami. And nakakatuwa kasi alam mo yun, step by step, talagang hindi sila yung pababa ng pababa. Alam mo yung parang nag-grow sila na nag-grow, and then while growing, talagang umaangat sila. Kumbaga, alam mo yun, nakikita mo sa isang tao or sa mag-jowa na mag-partner na naghihilaan sila pataas at meron silang goal sa buhay. Wala naman kasi talagang imposible, di ba? This is the testimony. This is actually one of the testimony na ma-judge natin yung isang tao dahil nga si Kevin hindi siya kilala dati. Maybe, di ba? Na isipin natin na baka hindi totoo yung pagmamahal niya kay Jessica, gagamitin niya lang si Jessica. Of course, yes, yan yung mga typical na mga masasabi natin kay Kevin. But in the end, makikita mo yung effort, yung pagmamahal niya kay Jessica, and si Jessica yung pagmamahal niya kay Kevin, on how she cares about their relationship. And of course, definitely Kevin, on how he drives and also driven the relationship. And also, di ba, ginaid niya through a good path si Jessica, na hindi lang tayo magsisettle for less. Let's do this together. Hindi kita iiwan. Kumbaga, kung ano yung goal mo sa buhay, kung ano yung pangarap mo, sasamahan kita hanggang sa huli. So, alam mo yun, nakakatuwa na, 'di ba, isa sa mga pinakamagagandang love stories na pwede niyong sundan niyo pa. At sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam ng kwento ng buhay ng magjowa at mag-asawa ngayon na si Jessica at si Kevin, subaybayan niyo dahil marami kayong matututunan at marami kayong makukuhang inspirasyon. Hindi lamang sa pag-ibig, hindi lang naman sa pagkakaibigan, hindi lang sa, alam mo yon, kung paano ka lalaban sa buhay. Siyempre, yung mga simple things in life na you're always blessed. Whether dumaan ka man sa hirap, dumaan ka man sa madaming pagsubok, always use or watch their vlogs and watch their relationship na hindi naman kailangan na mayaman ka agad. Diba? Nagsimula rin naman sila sa hirap and then ngayon nandiyan na sila. Kaya alam mo, nakakatuwa kayong pagmasdan. And again, congratulations again, Jesvin, sa inyong kasal. Alam ko na sobrang saya nyo ngayon. Marami na rin din kayong pagod dyan sa USA. Alam ko na magkikita tayo in a few weeks at syempre doon tayo magse-celebrate sa bansang pupuntahan natin. Can't wait to see you guys. Again, gawin nyo yan pag nakita tayo yung laplapan, ha? Charot! Ayun na mga akla, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and syempre, i-share nyo na rin itong video nito kung gusto nyo may pakita pa natin. At Diyos ko, ipamahagi natin itong mga videos na to katulad ng video ni Jessica. Syempre, para ma-spread ang awareness na Diyos ko dahil ang sarap-sarap ma-in love. O, diba? Walang imposible. At syempre, hit nyo rin ang notification bell para lagi naman kayo updated. Hindi yung, Diyos ko dahil pag nag-upload ako hindi kayo updated at hindi kayo nanonotify. Tiyara! Hanggang sa next vlog natin mga akla! See you there mga team! Bye! Char!